15 Promises of Mother Mary to those who pray the Rosary. It is believed that these 15 promises were revealed to Saint Dominic in the 12th century and later to Blessed Ellen de la Roche. The first promise:
Whoever shall faithfully serve me by the recitation of the Rosary shall receive signal graces.
The second promise:
I promise my special protection and the greatest graces to all those who shall recite the Rosary.
The third promise:
The Rosary shall be a powerful armor against hell. It will destroy vice, decrease sin, and defeat heresies.
The fourth promise:
It will cause virtue and good works to flourish. It will obtain for souls the abundant mercy of God. It will withdraw the hearts of men from the love of the world and its vanities, and will lift them to the desires of eternal things. Oh, that souls would sanctify themselves by this means.
The fifth promise:
The soul which recommends itself to me by the recitation of the Rosary shall not perish.
The sixth promise:
Whoever shall recite the Rosary devoutly, applying himself to the consideration of its sacred mysteries, shall never be conquered and never overwhelmed by misfortune. God will not chastise him in his justice. He shall not perish by an unprovided death. The sinner shall convert. The just shall grow in grace and become worthy of eternal life.
The seventh promise:
Whoever shall have a true devotion for the Rosary shall not die without the sacraments of the Church.
The eighth promise:
Those who are faithful to recite the Rosary shall have during their life and at their death the light of God and the plenitude of His graces. At the moment of death, they shall participate in the merits of the saints in paradise.
The ninth promise:
I shall deliver from purgatory those who have been devoted to the Rosary.
The 10th promise:
The faithful children of the Rosary shall merit a high degree of glory in heaven.
The 11th promise:
You shall obtain all you ask of me by the recitation of the Rosary.
The 12th promise:
All those who propagate the Holy Rosary shall be aided by me in their necessities.
The 13th promise:
I have obtained from my Divine Son that all the advocates of the Rosary shall have for intercessors the entire celestial court during their life and at the hour of death.
The 14th promise:
All who recite the Rosary are my sons and daughters, and brothers and sisters of my only Son, Jesus Christ.
The 15th promise:
Devotion to my Rosary is a great sign of predestination.